Apple got in big trouble with the battery life of iPhone 15 Pro Max. Not just that, iPhone 15 Pro got even worse when tested against the iPhone 14 Pro. And there is a big issues going on which I'll explain in this video. Before sharing the battery numbers, there is a bit of a backstory and the real issue is found on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Although iPhone 15 Pro Max is here with the bigger battery, 4422 mAh instead of 4323 mAh on iPhone 14 Pro Max, but the processor of iPhone 15 Pro Max got in big trouble. The heating issues are here with the A17 Pro on iPhone 15 Pro Max. While doing some gaming or extensive tasks, a Chinese reviewer did the detailed analysis on this. While running Genshin Impact for only 30 minutes, iPhone 15 Pro Max got up to 48 degrees Celsius with the average frame rate of 59.1 FPS, compared to 56 FPS on a 16 Bionic chipset on iPhone 14 Pro Max. There's only 4% difference in iPhone 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max, which means Apple slightly tweaked the A16 and added one extra GPU core in A17 Pro. Things are not going well as iPhone 15 Pro Max heat throttled while doing extensive tasks. The biggest reason is here, which I'll explain, but before that, here are the battery numbers. iPhone 15 Pro Max lasted about 7 hours and 13 minutes, compared to 7 hours and 55 minutes on iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is 42 minutes more than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Also, iPhone 15 Pro only lasted about 6 hours, which is 46 minutes less than the iPhone 14 Pro. The battery champ is the iPhone 15 Plus with the A16 Bionic chipset, got about 9 hours and 17 minutes. The power consumption on iPhone 15 Pro Max is comparatively high compared to the A16 Bionic chipset. While iPhone 15 Plus is an exception as it comes with a 60Hz display which helps it to last longer, but there are a couple of reasons behind it about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. First, the clock speed of A17 Pro, where it go up to 3.78 GHz, which is a massive jump over A16 3.4 GHz. This ends up increasing the power consumption of iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the same reason we got a heating issues on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Second, according to another source, the new 3nm processor, and there are some potential design flaws in the iPhone 15 Pro Max processor. Don't know if it is possible for Apple to fix this issue with the software. If they do, they will have to limit the processor high frequencies, which end up matching the performance with the A16 Bionic chipset. Thanks to Geeko1 to share this analysis. If you guys want to see the initial battery numbers of iPhone 15 Pro Max, then you guys should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.